is it cold? Good morning, everybody. We were here the other day getting the HOA off this young lady's back. She's 92 years old, and they were threatening her with $25 a day fine. So I came out and bailed her out. Might even do a little surprise for her today and get this done for her. I think I can run the Mondo over that, maybe. But we were on this side the other day. See how nice and clean this is? Nice and white, clean. Everything came out nice, okay? So what we're doing today, I'm gonna SH, starting right here. When we did get all this done, we'll get the rest of these railings done, get the ceiling done, get all this stuff done across here, get all that cleaned up. We got mold and stuff in the driveway here, all the way down to there. It's just got your typical algae up there too. You can see it all up there. Come around here, and she is an elderly lady, so it won't kill me to run the mini Mondo down here either. I'm not going to take care of all this, it's just too much stuff, but a little bit of favor here and there is not bad. What do we got going on in here? I don't think we're going to be going in there either. No, we're not. So there's really not much to do. But we'll come around the back and we'll get all this taken care of. All right. Very good. Yeah, phew. I think I'm the only pressure washing in town out here working in this stuff. Had a guy here that was going to do this. He called and said it was too cold for him, so whatever. I mean, if you got work in the book, man it up. Too cold. What the heck kind of an excuse is that? What the hell? So you get a better angle here. You're going to get wet in the face here. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Everything's been SH. All that green algae up there, it's dissipating very nicely. Ceiling's all nice, windows are clean. All that algae that was on these railings that you can see, all that's gone as well. Go ahead and get this, all this is done. Now all we gotta do is go down the side here. Got all SH across here. All that black stuff will dissipate, come right off. All right, let's head down this way, and then we'll get to the back, and then we'll rinse our way back, get the cement done, do a couple little extra treats around here if we can get away with it. There's a lot of rocks in there. I don't know if I want to try that or not. She said she's really not interested in getting that clean. She said it looks good. It would look so much better if I try it. We'll try it. What the hell? All right. So what we got is the top, the fascia, all the way around the back, and we'll rinse this puppy down. Get the mini Mondo out and let some magic happen. Right, let's get after it. It's like the world died or something. I'm the only one around anywhere. I haven't seen one other person except for the customer. All right, this is dwelling a little bit. Starting to, you see this stuff right here? See that? Just faintly see it right here. It's dwelling away. We'll let it dwell a bit. See all that? That should go away. All right, we're gonna put another coat on. Then we're gonna go get a cup of coffee, and we'll be back for the ever so satisfying rinse. Hey, there's two dudes right there walking down the road looking at my stuff. Nosy people. Let's get after it. Okay, let's have a look. Looks spotless. Beautiful. Look how shiny that is. It's going to take the mini on to do all this. I am going to give it a pass up in here. Let's see what happens. I mean, if you move quick enough, you might be able to get that without killing. I don't want to kill the bar under there with rocks, you know what I mean? So if it starts to do that, then we'll quit. But everything came out really nice. All right, let's get after it. That's going to be a wrap. You can see that nice little walkway on the side of the house from here. You see how much? I went over that a little bit up there. It looks way better. I mean, you can only do so much to those stones unless you just spray straight SH, and I did that as a favor, so it's no big deal. She'll be happy either way. She said it looked good to her before, so she ought to be ecstatic. All right, let's go ahead and just go on to the next job. Not going to worry about lunch today. Let's just get after it while we're in this cold weather. Might as well keep after it. All right, we'll see you at the next job. Okay, here we are at job number 2. I'm around the back, just checking it out. This concrete here, concrete out front. Not too bad. Hook the water up right here. There's siding coming off of here. Look at that. Look how cheap that looks. I wonder what kind of pressure we're gonna get. Let's see. Ooh, that's not very good. All right, let's see what the other side's like. Might want to pull over the other way. All this crap here has got to be done. Look at that. Small driveway. We're not doing all this. We have black algae everywhere. Green stuff. Let's go around over here. This one might be a little better. Let's see what we got. Probably not, though. Sometimes one's better than the other. Let's see. It's a little better. All right. However, this damn bush is right in the middle of everything. We'll just keep it over here. Let's get set up and get after it. Man, it is cold, cold, cold. Okay, when you see me like this, you know it's frosty out. And it's foggy, and it's misty, and oh, it's just wonderful. You know, if we were on jobs, if we were on Jeopardy right now, I would say, hey, Alex, category, jobs that suck for 1,000. Pressure washing in cold weather. Ding, 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 winner. All right, we're gonna start the job right here on the corner of the house. Gonna work our way all the way around the back, rinse it all the way around. We got lots of algae and stuff on the other side. And you can see it's got some black algae up here mixed in with some green. You come around the other side, see all that green stuff under the windows? There's some over there by that window. You come around over here, that shed's got green all over it, and look at the side of the house. Green, 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 green. All right, the rest of the house around the back isn't that bad, but we're gonna wash it, right? All right, let's get after it. This is the last job of the day, then we can go home and warm up. Sometimes you just gotta man up. Let's get after it. Okay, let's take a look. Algae's going away. It's gonna have to dwell a lot longer. Let's go on the side over here and check this out. That's all dissipating right there in the front, but it's gonna take a little longer. I'm gonna hit that again before we go around the side here and hit this all this algae over here. That'll take a while to come off of there. But we'll let it dwell a while, and you can sit here and watch it disappear. Let's get after it. All right, check it out. Gone. Shed, gone. Take a walk around out here. Oh yeah, everything's going good. This stuff down there, might have to have the pump up on it. Don't want to blast siding too much, so we go ahead and grab that, spray that down there. The rest of it's coming nice. Gutter's looking good, all that's looking good. And the homeowner went to the bank and to the store, so by the time I get done, they should be rolling back in to pay me. All right, we're gonna let this dwell a couple more minutes, then we'll be back for the ever so satisfying rinse. Oh boy, oh, this got done. That gutter's nice and white again. That algae all through here. All right, that's good all the way. Pretty much got to come back. Not going to be able to make it all the way down, but I was able to chlorinate it. So I'll go ahead and spray some more SH along the top of that gutter right there. Then we'll come around the other way and rinse it. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. Look, everything's coming out real good. We got some lines right here. We'll go ahead and put some SH on this and get this cleared up. Everything is done all the way around here. Everything came out really nice. Homeowner's happy. He says I'm the best. Alright, we got this done. These walking stones are done. And I just got done Mindy Mondo in this back here, okay? So all we gotta do is rinse all this off. Now we're gonna come back around here. We're gonna be getting after this right here. All this right here in the side of the house. That side's already been chlorinated, so all we gotta do is this right here, all right? We'll be right back. Let's.
But I got to get you out of my soul. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Now all I have left is the cold side of a pillow.
All right, folks, that's it. Everything's nice and squeaky clean around here. I got my footprints all on here now. Go ahead and rinse those off. We'll get this hose out of here. Reel it right into the truck. Look at that, looks good. Still see some lines, so I'm gonna put some more post treat on this. Then we'll be done. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. That's gonna be a wrap for today, folks. We'll see you tomorrow when we're back to getting after it, baby. See you tomorrow. All right, there you have it. All the lines are gone. Nice and post-treated again. And he does pay cash. Let's get after it. We'll see you tomorrow. What do we got tomorrow? We got a house wash. House and driveway. All right, and that'll be it for the week. Let's get after it.